How to deactivate your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to deactivate your TikTok account, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to your TikTok app. Once that is done, you will have to log in into the account that you want to deactivate. In order to do so, then after continue with Google or use your email account to log in into TikTok. Now that you have logged in, head over to your profile. The profile is on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Make sure to give the required permissions asked. Once that is done, tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right corner, and after that you will see different options listed. From the list, select on settings and privacy, and after that tap on account. Once you tap on account, you will land to another page again. From the list of options, you will see delete and deactivate account. Once you see that, tap on the last option of deactivate or delete and then select deactivate account. Select or tap on it, and this way no one will see your account including all contents. For this, tap on deactivate button again and a verification code will be sent to your email address. Make sure to confirm it, and once that is done, your account is deactivated. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.